Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. When it comes to casinos, VSR Industries of Henderson, Nevada understands that design and security go hand in hand. That's why OEMs and casino owners turn to VSR for slot cabinets, bases, and gaming locks, which hit the jackpot every time. Privately held VSR doesn't gamble on quality. Every aspect of design, engineering, and manufacturing is done in-house at their Henderson, Nevada manufacturing facility. VSR's precision fabricated cabinets, bases, and locks are made using a wide range of state-of-the-art automated systems. The result is quality and consistency in everything that rolls off the line. Cabinets and bases are an important aesthetic aspect to gaming. VSR specializes in proprietary designs, offering ready-made raw cabinet and base solutions that are customizable to meet unique client specifications. One of those is the ECO, the most cost-efficient universal metal slot-based design available anywhere. Old school meets new technology in the Fusion. Fusion combines the patent-pending bracket system of the ECO with the look of real wood or laminate. Cabinets and bases must please the eye without compromising on the security. VSR makes secure slot floors, which bring peace of mind. Their proprietary minimum to maximum security locks are manufactured with over 40 years of lock know-how built into them. VSR goes a step further and provides on-site installation anywhere in the world. To learn about all VSR products and services, visit their website at vsrindustries.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.